Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is pewallet, guys. They're actually giving us 6,000 there is 6,000 pieces of pewallet to their users. Like this token will be going live very soon. So, and this is a wallet. They have the app where you can actually put in link, Google, and all that. Do you understand? It's just like Trust Wallet and MetaMask, something like that. Do you understand, guys? So they're actually doing a airdrop. They are doing airdrop, and once you register, you create your wallet, you will receive 6,000 pieces of it, and when you refer your friends, you earn more. So, guys, please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online. If this is your first time of seeing my video, we talk about how to make money online through crypto, guys. I've actually done this video before, but I don't know how many of you that are actually participating, so I'm doing this again. Like, click the link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video, and then get your wallet, and then you receive it instantly. And then all you'll be needing is just a little token to swap it to mainnet, so that you can be able to sell it once they launch it. I think they will be launching it this month. Yes. So let's go to their Telegram channel. This is their Telegram channel. They are still doing the giveaway is still on. You understand? If you have funds, you can buy the pre-sale. This is their Telegram channel, guys. If you go to their Twitter, the same thing. The thing is hot. People are actually claiming. So this is just free. Do you understand? Oh, you get 6,000 pieces, and then you swap it to mainnet. This one, once you swap it, you can be able to trade it. Do you understand? Or you need to claim it first. Once you register now, if you come here now, you see your referral. Or this is where to copy your referral link now. You click there. Do you understand? You click here now. Then you copy your referral link, guys. Just hurry up, register, and then you claim. Do you understand? It's as simple as that. This is where to copy your referral link. And the giveaway is still ongoing. So you need to hurry up. So guys, the next video I'm going to do is about how to swap it. Do you understand? The reason why I haven't swapped it is because, guys, the next video I'm going to do now, I don't have, like, I was stressed out throughout today. So the next video I'm going to do now is how to swap it. So once you register, you get 6,000 worth of it. So when if you want to swap, you click here now. You can see swap. Do you understand? When you click here now, you'll be needing. It's not even up to $1. Then you swap it to mainnet and sell your. Once the coin, these meme coins now, once they launch, people will start buying, the thing will go up. So now you have the opportunity to actually accumulate 6,000 pieces, and with time now, this amount they actually giving out will decrease. So this is what I'll be needing. $137. $137, guys. So this is what I'll be needing. All I have to do is to copy this address now, and then transfer $2 worth of USD. Then I will swap my token. Then I'll wait for their launch. Automatically, you know that I have $16 here. So if I transfer $2 now, I'll swap. Once this token goes live, guys, never can tell. I might be seeing $100 here. I might be seeing $1,000. You never can tell the project that will give you a life-changing opportunity. So guys, just grab this opportunity. Please subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, guys. So I will be dropping my referral link under the comment section of this video. I don't want this video to be long. So that will be all for now, guys. Check the comment section of this video. You are going to see the link. So see you soon. Bye.